Hey YouTubers, this is Philly Phil 75 back in Bermuda. We're downtown in Hamilton, Bermuda. There's a huge cargo ship leaving the port. So Damon said record it, so I am. There's a ferry right there too. This ferry takes you across to the other side of the island. A lot of people running and rushing to get it because it's Friday, the end of the day. There goes the cargo ship. There's Damon. He's keeping an eye out on the port. Oh wow. And now that the cargo ship is gone, we're going to be looking for the cruise ship. The cruise ship is leaving port as well. This is a pretty cool sight today. We get to be up close with a huge cruise ship. And you really need to see. The tugboat there is going to pull it. So I really want to see this. My first time really being this close to one. What? I guess the tugboat's getting into position. And we have another ferry coming in here to the dock. Here comes the other ferry, Damon.
Is that the one we're gonna go on?
Not today. We're not going on the ferry today. We're gonna go on the ferry tomorrow.
Are you still videoing?
I am.
What is a cargo? What is a cruise ship?
What's that?
What is a cruise ship?
Well, I'm waiting for it. The tugboat's gonna pull it out. See, it's getting into position there. See, I'm surprised it's going in the back. I thought it would pull it out in the front. Pull out the front part of it first.
Martina? You study, you attack me. You try to get me. No! Oh! I thought you missed me.
Guys, careful around the stairs, please.
It actually gave me this.
Is it pulling it or not?